Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Wright Hustle. My name's Edward, and today we've got some DS Lites. These are still from a lot of 30 that I purchased a while back, and little by little I've been working on them. Alright, so we've got these 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 of them in this little package here. I'm going to cut them open. Maybe. There's some tape here that I just want to get rid of right there. Boom. Okay, we got access to the consoles. Alright, so these were purchased, like I said, a lot of 30 as is, broken, none working, blah blah blah, from eBay. And we're going to see if we can get any of these things to fire up. This is not going to be an extensive repair video. There's plenty of those on eBay. I just want to go through them with you and share what we got. Alright, so on average I paid about $8 a piece for these consoles. I'm going to move these over to the side there. And let's try our first one. This is the pink one. Already we know it's got a broken hinge. There is no power. So we're going to grab a screwdriver here. We're going to open the battery compartment. A lot of the times they take the batteries out. And lo and behold, of course, there's no battery. So we're going to grab one of our known working batteries. Pop it in there. And let's see. Oh, we've got power. Good top screen. Alright. Just FYI guys, these are Japanese consoles, but they can be easily converted to English. So the reason I buy Japanese models are a little cheaper for me. US versions are usually too expensive for me to buy and pick up to fix. Already I can see some fading down on the bottom screen. I really don't think that'll affect gameplay, but we'll find out. Alright, so I'm just going through all the steps. I want to be able to see if I can put a Mario Kart in there and get it rolling. Alright, let's close that. Popped in our Mario Kart. Now we can change it to English. Let's go ahead and do that. Oh, it won't let us. That bottom part of the touchscreen is no good. The buttons are responsive, which is a good sign. It's going to restart again. Alright, let's hit up that Mario Kart real quick, because our battery seems to be dying. Alright, so looking at the bottom screen, the blackout doesn't look bad. You can't even see it. I will mention that when I sell the console, I am not going to do any expensive repairs or extensive repairs on these consoles. I've been selling them very nicely for about 20 bucks broken. So not a huge amount of profit. These that have better screens and that are in better shape, I do sell for a little bit more. Alright, everything works on this one. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that Mario Kart out, take my awesome battery, and what we're going to do is we're going to grab one of the batteries here that I have that are not marked. I know they work, but they're not testing batteries. Pop that in there, and then we're going to put this guy aside to charge. We're going to put a rubber band around the top part of the screen to help stabilize the screen so it doesn't get any further damage. And this is actually a way of getting the console top screen to stay up. So I do this all the time. It works, and people have been buying them like that. So right off the bat, it's a good start. I like a good start. All right, here we go. This is console number 2, also broken hinge. No power. No power. It's probably gonna not have a battery. Let's see. Come on, open up. Yeah, that screw's really on there. I've already given it a few. You can even hear that it's loose. Alright, there we go. Known battery that works. Let's fire her up. Oh, we got green light, which is usually good. And hey, good top screen also. Bottom screen looks very hazy. It might have a screen protector on it. It looks really weird. I don't know. There it is. Yeah, guys. Huge difference when we take off that protector screen. Yes. Looks good. A little yellowish. That means the bottom screen's going out. It's just old. It happens. Alright, let's get through this real quick. Because she did fire her up. That's awesome. And now it's going to ask me to shut down. Unfortunately, yes, we have to shut it down. We'll throw in Mario Kart. And let's fire this one up. While it's loading, I'm going to grab another rubber band. Because I think this is a good one also. Oh, Mario Kart did not fire up. Alright. This is what I do when some of the games don't fire up. Grab some alcohol. Just a little bit of alcohol. Put it there on the points. I usually use a Q-tip. Give it a couple of in and outs there. Cover up that alcohol before I make a mess. And potato salad. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Alright, we're just going to test the buttons real quick. Very responsive. It's me, Mario. This thing's got a top cover also. You can see it. It's nasty. Oh yeah. Everything works. Sweet. Alright, so let's take this known battery out. We're going to put this battery here. Is just looming around. We're going to put that in there. And then we're going to send this guy off to charge. And this, guys, is another win. Another win. I will take that all day. Like I said, I sell these for about 25 bucks with the way the screens are. Another thing I've been doing was selling just the motherboards for 25 and been selling those very well, so I might just do that instead. We'll see. I hate taking apart a console that fully works just because of the bad motherboard. I don't know if that rubber band's gonna make another loop. We'll just leave it like that. It should still stay. See? Alright, let's put that aside. We got 2 for 2. I mean, I consider those wins. This one did not power on either. So we're going to grab our screwdriver and do the exact same thing, baby. Come on. I don't know why these things get stuck and they don't want to open. Oh, this one does have a battery. Maybe the battery's just dead. Let's see. Are we lucky? Can we get lucky? Oh, there's power. Oh, the battery was just dead on this one. Sweet. Well, I mean, thus far, the battery was just dead. We'll take that one to charge also and see what happens. Hopefully, it's just a battery issue. We'll see. Alright, let's pop in our Mario Kart and fire it back up. Come on, baby. No Mario Kart. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's break out the alcohol again. Let's dab a little alcohol in there. Not too much. It really doesn't matter. It ain't gonna hurt it. As long as you don't drown it in alcohol, it won't hurt it. Alright, let's give it a whirl again. What do you think, guys? Gonna work? Is she gonna work? Yes! There's the Mario Kart. I think this thing has screen protectors also. We'll take them off. Very responsive. Yeah, very responsive. This is a great case. This one deserves the whole treatment. I'm gonna clean her up really nice. And this one will sell for about 50 bucks, 60 bucks. Oh yeah, everything works. Okay. Awesome. This is a major win, guys. Major win right there. That was a major win. Alright, we're going to put its old battery back. And then off screen, I'll give her a good cleaning. Everything will get charged up, clean, and all that good stuff. That is the best one so far out of this batch. Awesome. Very awesome. Alright, on to another one. We got another white one. Again, no power. I like that these have their covers. There's the DS cover. I mean the Game Boy Advance cover. Each one of them has had it. It adds a little extra value to the console. People like that. For some reason, this guy does not want to open. Oh, this one has a battery also. Could it be just a dead battery? I'm hoping so. That would be amazing. No, this one has absolutely no power. Let's try another battery. Oh. It fired up for like a second. There's probably, yeah, there's something wrong with that switch. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's see if I can get you guys. Maybe it'll do it again. No, it's not doing it again. Alright, so that is one strange problem. I've never seen the console not fire up like that before. We're going to put this one aside. This one needs to be opened up and checked extensively. Either that, or just sell it as is. Not mess with it. Alright, last one for today, guys. Last one. Should get power. Oh, this one powered up on its own. And then it died. Oh, both screens are flashing. I think that's an issue with charge. Let's put another battery. And could it be that both screens are bad? It's probably the... I know when the screens flash like that, it's usually one or the other. I don't think I've... In all my years of repairing, I don't remember if both screens flashing means both screens are out. I just don't remember. It's been a while since I've had that issue. And this thing don't want to open. There it goes. Give me back that case. That battery is weird looking. Boom shakalaka, baby. That battery is no good. Junk. Alright, it fired up. Let's throw in Mario Kart. That feels pretty good. Let's turn it off, turn it back on. Come on, baby. Yeah, Mario Kart. This is going to be another win, guys. I think. And down is a little eh. Let's see about right and left. Right and left is great. This one does not look like it has any protective screens. I don't know. The bottom screen is kind of weird. There is a dead pixel running through it. Alright. I don't see it anymore on the screen, but you can kind of tell right there. It's hard to see on camera, but there is a dead pixel. Let's see if we can fire it up and you guys can see it. Right around here, there's one dead line. I think I'm just gonna sell it like that. I'm not gonna take the screen out. We'll sell it as partially working. We already got rid of that shitty battery. Let's grab another battery, and then what we'll do is we'll charge these guys up and we'll get them sold. Alright guys, this was a pretty good batch out of all those 30. The last batch that we just did was really bad, but this has been a very good batch. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. If you like the videos, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. I do all kinds of stuff on the channel. The channel is very diverse. We go to garage sales, flea markets, thrift stores. We go toy hunting. We do repairs, what's sold on eBay, all kinds of stuff, guys. So if you enjoy that stuff, make sure to hit that sub button. Once again, guys, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.